is doing yoga. Good morning to respected manager Sister Jyoti, principal Sister Rajni, teachers, sisters and all my dear friends present over here. I, Varsha, is here to speak a few words on the topic International Yoga Day. Yoga is a medicine that has the power to cure any disease of the universe, even those which cannot be cured by the prescriptions of doctors. Including yoga in everyday life is one of the healthiest practice people can ever make. It not only makes you physically well, but will calm your mind and soul. International Day of Yoga was celebrated throughout the world for the first time on 21st of June in 2015. The declaration was done after the call by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the United Nations General Assembly on 27th of September in 2014. During his address to the United Nations General Assembly on that day, record number of people practiced yoga in Delhi under the leadership of Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. It was a world record for the highest participation in one single yoga session. This is the greatest achievement for Indians. More than 170 countries, including USA, China, Canada, etc., participated in the event. It was celebrated on international level by organizing the activities like yoga training camps, yoga competitions, and so many activities to enhance the awareness about yoga benefits. It was celebrated to let you know that regular yoga practice lead to better mental, physical, and intellectual health. It positively changes your lifestyle and increases the level of well-being. Yoga is not only a physical exercise where you stretch, twist, turn, and breathe in the most complex ways. These are actually only the most superficial aspects. This profound of science of unfolding the infinite potentials of the human mind and soul. It leads to the healthy development of mind, body and soul by mastering certain yoga postures or asanas with breathing techniques. Pranayama needs special mention. It is the simplest form of yoga which is done before any asana. It teaches you how you can do wonders to your body by gaining control over your breath. Today, as we celebrate Yoga Day by doing some of the forms of yoga, may it inspire each one of us to make it a part of our life, doing everyday yoga for a healthy mind and body, which is one of the precious wealth of each one of us. Once again, happy International Yoga Day. Thank you one and all.
Good morning, dear teachers and students. Wish you all a happy Yoga Day. We the human beings are 3D people. That means we have 3 dimensions. That is body, mind and soul. Our body, mind and soul are not different entities. They are connected to one another. So, a dimension is not well. It affects all other 2 dimensions as well. And that is why in psychology it says more than 60% or 80% of sicknesses are psychological. So the mind becomes sick, the body becomes sick, the soul becomes sick. When the soul becomes sick, the body becomes sick, the mind becomes sick. When the body becomes sick, mind becomes sick, soul becomes sick. So it is interconnected. Therefore, yoga is the cure for all these 3 dimensions. The medical science, in all other medical science, give medicine only to cure body. And the modern medical science also give medicine to cure the mind. But there is no medical science which will treat all the 3 at a time, to bring healing all the 3 at a time. If your body is healed, If your mind and soul still remain sick, again the body becomes sick. And that is why people again and again become sick. When your mind is cured, your body is still sick, soul is sick, again the mind becomes sick. That's why the people who are sick again and again become sick. Here we have an Indian tradition which will cure all the three together. So it will treat us as three entities, three-dimensional people, not one dimension as body, mind or soul. So through doing yoga, we can cure all these three aspects of our life and become a fully and whole healthy person. Also, we say prevention is better than cure. There is no medical science giving provision to prevent us from sickness except vaccinations. But doing yoga without using any chemicals, injecting into our body or taking into our body, which will again bring imbalance side effect, the yoga is preventing us getting from any illness, that is mental, physical, psychological, or the sickness of spiritual, which affect our soul. Therefore, doing yoga regularly will help an individual to remain healthy and wealthy. Health is our wealth. So if our health is good, we are the most wealthiest person. As Varsha said in the introduction, this fact has been recognized by the international community as well. That's why the yoga has spread now not in India, at international level, and it is celebrated a yoga day because to bring awareness to the world that by doing yoga we can remain healthy and protect and preserve our health of body, mind and body, mind and soul. Therefore, I request all of you, by celebrating today the yoga day, make it a part of your daily life, at least a few minutes to do yoga so that we can become healthy people and happy people and to become a full-fledged human being contributing fully to the world and live our life fully and enjoy it to the full. Wish you once again a happy yoga day.
Thank you, sister. A beautiful message. Bormani, bend down. Gambir. Class 7. Follow to the road. 2 to the legs. As per possible, take balance should be there. First left leg. First left leg. 2, 7, 8. Look inside, behind. Now bounce, slowly bounce. Try to hold your hand together. And try to touch to the ground. Hand will touch the ground. Left should be straight, left should be joined. Stretch the leg. Stretch the leg. Take leg inside. Take the legs. Right to touch. Hold nicely. Step straight. As per possible, the leg should go back towards your body. As per possible, this Bhadrasana, we call it Bhadrasana. Sit up straight, children first. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Hold tightly. And close your eyes. Take breathe slowly inside. You have to take the breathe inside. 5 times you have to take the breathe inside. Take slowly in. Close your eyes. Leg should be side. As per possible, leg should go side. Sit up straight. Everything very good. Very nice you're doing. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Close your eyes. Take 5 breaths. Deep through the throat. Deep through the throat. Keep on the 21 side rotate. And take slowly deep breath. Slowly take the breath. Slowly take it. This week I have been when you have back pain now, if you do the exercise like this one, the back pain is going. Without covering, listen again. Left should be side, left should be wide. Leg should be wide. When looking at, don't look, close your eyes, only straight. Your chin should be straight. Don't shake legs. This asana we call as a Shavasana. Shavasana means you should not, movement should be not there. Just look at the front, up and below. Close your eyes. And leg should be wide. Close your eyes. Take deep breaths. Take deep breaths. So let's go. Super girls, go. Super girls, go. Straight claps, go!